gonna be? No way! Mama Tsehay heard the concern in his voice. She turned the heat down on the stove so the tesmi she was melting wouldn't burn. She put down the knife. She wiped her hands on her apron and then turned to face Baba Berhane. Grandpa said in that moment he was afraid she might stab him. He grabbed her shoulders and said, looking her straight in the eyes, "She's not Habesha." Her face in an instant went from loving wife to furious mother. "What are you saying to me?" she said, blinking in disbelief. "She's not Habesha." He repeated, "So she's Arab?" "No." "Other type of African?" "No." "Latina?" "No." "Black Americana?" Grandpa was silent. "This cannot be. No way," she wailed, pushing Grandpa's hands away and started looking through her spice cabinet. "Dehan, I will make sure that girl never comes back," she mumbled. She found a jar of red spice powder and smiled wickedly.
Comprehension questions.
Why is Mama Tsehay angry? What do you think the red spice powder is? What do you think Dehan means? Come back next time to find out what happens next. If you want to follow along with the English or Tigrinya while you're listening, you can find the transcripts on my website. You might already be there if you're listening to the embedded Spotify audio. Tigrinya short stories are produced by CrossGen. We hope to see you next time. Brak maalti.